Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage market analysis with Morgan Stanley detailed guide step by step clearly. First, begin by understanding the importance of market analysis in investment decisions. Research the different types of market analysis, such as fundamental and technical analysis. Familiarize yourself with Morgan Stanley's specific resources and tools for market analysis. Create an account on Morgan Stanley's platform if you don't already have one. Log into your account and navigate to the Research or Insights section. Explore the various market reports available, paying attention to sectors of interest. Utilize the filtering options to find reports that match your investment criteria. Take note of key metrics and indicators highlighted in the reports. Consider the analysis provided by Morgan Stanley's experts, focusing on their recommendations. Cross-reference insights from Morgan Stanley with other reputable financial sources. Make a list of potential investment opportunities based on the gathered data. Evaluate the risks associated with each opportunity by looking at the report's risk assessments. Engage with Morgan Stanley's analysts through webinars or Q&A sessions if available. Apply the information gathered to adjust your investment strategy as needed. Use the Morgan Stanley portfolio management tools to track your investments. Regularly revisit the market analysis as it evolves and updates frequently. Stay informed about market trends and how they could affect your portfolio. Remember to keep a long-term perspective as you make investment decisions based on your analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.